This is the Dzogchen Semde Lama Jigme Gyatso of the Buddha Joy Meditation School. Come, let us explore the hidden way meditation dissolves your inner conflict, followed by group meditation. For the last 10,000 years, since the rise of proto-capitalism during the Neolithic Revolution, humanity has been indulging its controlling tendencies. So when you notice your controlling tendencies, it is par for the course. Please do not beat yourself up. But accepting that it's par for the course does not mean that we choose to continue indulging our controlling tendencies. Why? Why not? Because the more we indulge our controlling tendencies, the more we will find ourselves actively focusing and actively analyzing to the point that we exhaust our dorsolateral and medial prefrontal cortex, begin presenting with symptoms of depression, no less triggering our amygdala, the seat of both anxiety and aggression. This can be described in an understated way as emotional turmoil. Most of us have been conditioned to go through life actively competing against our own autonomic nervous system. What happens when we flip the script and instead begin to passively cooperate with our own autonomic nervous system? The anxiety and aggression of our amygdala is calmed. The empathy of our anterior cingulate gyrus is gently stimulated, and we experienced enhanced peace, thanks to the workings of our parasympathetic nervous system. This is remarkable. Most of us go through life seeking an antidote to sorrow, anxiety, and aggression, not knowing that our own central nervous system is already optimized for the peace and the love that we already hunger for. The key to cooperating with our sympathetic nervous system is to silently and mentally recite the verb watch every time we feel our lungs swell or our chest swell as we inhale. And the key to cooperating with our parasympathetic nervous system is to silently and mentally recite the verb rest each time we feel our chest subtly sink as gently we exhale. Perhaps that is why the great Buddhist reformer Vajra, in his Opus Magus, The Spaciousness of Vajrasattva, explained, thinking in terms of causes and results, such seekers strive in vain to transcend this world. They dualistically reject the bad and accept the good, although non-dual wisdom already transcends the dualities like good and bad. No, he's not saying to go behave like a member of the Manson family. The more we, as I mentioned previously, the more we passively cooperate with our own autonomic nervous system, the more we cannot help but experience the highest love, which is the spontaneous and uncontrived byproduct of of authentic mindfulness and meditation. You have taken your first step into a much larger world. If you feel that I have earned it, you could give this live stream a thumbs up you could even help support this channel. 4. Meditate Like a Jedi is made possible thanks to the generosity of viewers just like you.